In today's video, I am going to show you how to create this incredible cinematic animated glass effect entirely inside of PowerPoint. So let's get started. First, we will start by inserting our background image. You can grab this exact image from the link in the description down below. I will zoom out a bit so we can see the full slide better. Click on Crop and change the aspect ratio to 16:9 so the image fills the whole slide perfectly. Now let's build the glass effect. Select your image and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Right-click and go to Format Picture. Under the Effects panel, click Artistic Effects and choose Blur. Increase the radius all the way up to 100%. Next, open the 3D Format tab. Change the top bevel to round. Set the width to 52 and the height to 15 points. This is the secret sauce to getting those realistic glass reflections. Now we will go to Picture Corrections and drop the brightness to -53%. I found this value works perfectly for our scene. Then go to the Fill and Line tab and add a solid gray outline. Set the width to 2.5 points. And now, look at this amazing glass effect. Let's shape it. Center the image to the slide. With the image selected, go to Picture Format, click on Crop, select Crop to Shape, and choose the rounded rectangle. Click Crop one more time, adjust the size, then adjust the edges to get this beautiful modern shape. Next, we will mask out these leaves to give depth to our slide. To do that, duplicate your background image and roughly crop around the first leaf. This makes the next step, when we remove the background of the leaf, much easier. Go to Remove Background and select our leaf. The most important thing here is selecting the area that will cover our shape. Repeat this same process for the second leaf on the other side. Look at how this instantly transforms the slide. Now, let's add some sleek text. Insert a text box for your title. I am using a thick font like Poppins Black in pure white color. For the body text, choose a clean, thinner font like Lotto, colored in a soft, light gray. Now, time for the animation. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate the slide. Go to the first slide, select the glass shape, click Crop, and carefully drag the crop handles down while holding Shift on your keyboard. Make sure you move the crop handles, not the image handles, for the animation to work right. Resize those crop handles down by holding Ctrl+Shift. Then, select the text and drag it down the slide. Scale it down using Ctrl+Left bracket. And center it. Finally, select the second slide, apply the Morph transition, and you are done. If this glass effect just leveled up your presentation, drop a like and hit that subscribe button right now, so you never miss out on any advanced PowerPoint tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.